Hey everyone! Welcome back to LushLoom. Today, we're sharing the best TV wall decorating ideas for 2025, perfect for creating a modern, stylish, and functional living room. Whether you want sleek minimalism or bold statement walls, these trends will inspire your next home makeover. Minimalist floating TV units. First up, minimalist floating TV units. Sleek, modern, and clutter-free, these designs make your living room feel bigger and brighter. The key is hidden storage and clean lines. Floating shelves and cabinets give a stylish, airy look while keeping all your gadgets organized. Accent wall with textures. Number 2, accent walls with textures. Wood panels, 3D wall tiles, or luxury wallpapers can instantly elevate your space. Textured walls add depth and character, making your TV the centerpiece of your living room. Built-in LED lighting. Trend number 3, built-in LED lighting. LED backlights create a cinematic effect, highlight your decor, and give your TV wall a modern vibe. Warm white or color-changing LEDs are perfect for living rooms and home theaters. Custom shelving and storage. Number 4, custom shelving and storage. Integrating shelves around your TV not only adds style but also functionality. Display decor items, books, or media devices while keeping your setup clean and organized. Custom designs can match any modern interior. Mixed materials and finishes. And finally, mixed materials and finishes. Combining wood, metal, or marble creates a luxurious, high-end look. This trend is perfect for those who want a unique, modern TV wall that stands out in 2025. Outro. And there you have it, 2025's best TV wall decorating ideas for modern homes. Which trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. For custom TV wall solutions and installation in Dubai, contact LushLoom today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration.